Monkey Jizo. Once upon a time, there was an old man and an old woman. "Grandma, make me a lunch box." And the old man went out to the mountain field with his lunch box. This place is gradually in the field, and mountain monkeys often come and play tricks. On top of that, it smells like a lunch box that day, so the monkeys came right away. "Oh, there's a feast on the branch of the tree. And we all ate my grandfather's lunch box. But my grandfather doesn't know. When I was sitting in the middle of the field. Well, there's an uncle in a place like this. It's such a place, it's not a waste to leave it, details, so I'll carry it to the hall of the mountain over there." When the monkeys came and lifted up the grandfather. Well, don't get wet. Even if the monkey's navel flows. Don't let your uncle flow, hooey. And I sang a song and crossed the river. Cook. It's strange, but let's shut up. When the old man was laughing, the monkeys carried the old man to the mountain hall. "Nan Madabu, a jizo-san. And I gave a lot of money and went somewhere. Ahaha, this is fun." The old man laughed and collected money and left the hall. "That's right, I'm going to buy something for my grandmother." My grandfather stopped by the town and bought my grandmother's kimono and went home. Oh my God! And the grandmother was overjoyed. However, when I saw it, the next grandmother was envious. My grandfather should go too. And I made a lunch box. When the old man next door gradually went to the field of the mountain and hanged his lunch box on a tree branch. "I have a feast today too." The monkeys came and snapped. Yeah, it went well. The old man next door hurriedly imitated his uncle. Then, "Oh, my uncle is in a place like this again. It's a waste, it's a waste." The monkeys picked up the grandfather. Well, don't get wet. Even if the monkey's navel flows. Don't let your uncle flow, hooey. And I sang and started crossing the river. When I heard this, my neighbor's grandfather couldn't stand it and burst out laughing. Then the monkeys were surprised. "Yukiki, it's my uncle's ghost." I shed my grandfather into the river and ran away. Oh, help me. Well, at that time, the grandmother. My grandfather is going to buy a new kimono. And I baked the sieve kimono I'm wearing now in a bento. Then, The old man who finally came up from the river came back soaked. Oh, it was terrible. Koakasubed. And, when you wipe off the kimono. What's wrong with the new kimono? And my grandmother is also naked, so I was surprised. The end.